In a world full of noise, stress, and endless rush, nature remains the only place where the heart truly feels at peace. This beautiful journey through green fields, flowing rivers, open skies, and innocent animals is more than just a video. It is a reminder of how beautiful life becomes when we stay close to nature. The chirping of birds in the early morning, the cool breeze touching the trees, the golden sunlight falling softly on the mountain, and animals living freely in their create a scene that no city lights can ever replace. Every animal shown in this video carries its own beauty and innocence. From birds flying fearlessly in the sky to animals peacefully walking through the fields. Nature teaches us lessons of freedom, patience, love, and simplicity. Sometimes we become so busy chasing success that we forget how healing it is to sit quietly under the open sky and simply listen to the sounds of nature. The beauty of nature is not only seen with the eyes, it is also felt by the soul. The rustling leaves, the flowing water, the distant mountain, and the calm atmosphere slowly remove the heaviness from the heart and replace it with peace. This video captures those pure moments that often go unnoticed, the innocence of animals, the softness of sunset colors, the beauty of green landscapes, and the magical silence that exists far away from crowded places. Every scene reminds us that Allah has created this world with endless beauty and wisdom. Nature never asks for attention, yet it gives comfort to everyone. Animals never speak our language, yet their innocence touches our hearts deeply. There is something truly special about watching animals live peacefully in their natural world